guys, and welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. If you're tuning in for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up, and share. Now, as you know, it's a vegan month, the month of July. I'm going to show you my twist on how I make Jamaican steamed crackers and okra, vegetable vegan style, in my kitchen. So if you want to see how I turn up this kitchen today, come on and let's roll with this now. Okay, you're going to need 1 pack of Excelsior crackers. Any crackers of your choice. I just happen to have Excelsior and that's what I'm using. You're also going to need your vegetable. Right there I have some carrots and corn and stuff. I buy frozen vegetables, so it is fine. You could use that. Otherwise you could go ahead and get the fresh vegetable. Doesn't matter. I'm also going to add a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of garlic. I'm also going to put my butter, my vegan butter in here. I'm also going to add about a 2 teaspoons of ketchup. I'm going to put some okra. I also have my scotch bonnet pepper right there. Some thyme. My pimento seed is right there. I'm also going to add half a chopped onions to that. I'm also going to be putting in there some green pepper, yellow pepper, and orange pepper, and 1 stalk of scallion, right? And I'm also going to start off my dish with some EVO, if you have any kind of oil, coconut oil, corn oil, whatever, you go ahead and use that. I have EVO, extra virgin olive oil, that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to add some vinegar to this dish. So come on and let's put all this together. Okay guys, we are moving on to our next step. You might hear some frying. I have some fish going on, and as you can see I have fish frying over there. So yeah, but we're moving on to our next step. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of oil in the pot, just a little bit. Then to that we're going to add our peppers, sweet pepper, thyme. We're going to add our onions. Of course we must put our scallion as well. I'm going to also put my pimento seed, just a few seeds. You don't want to go too much with the pimento seed. So I'm going to add those in. Also going to add my garlic, salt, and black pepper. Also going to put in my okra. And the okra that I'm using, I buy them already done in the store. They're frozen okra. So when you go to the supermarket, just go into your vegetable section, and I'm pretty sure you will find okra in there that's already cooked in the pot. I'm going to go ahead and drop my pepper in, my hot pepper. Toss this around a little bit. I'm also going to add my frozen veggies as well. Now guys, you want to make sure that your fire is on medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and add my butter in. And toss it around. So we want to make sure that the butter is melted on the veggies, okay? Now I want to go in and add in my ketchup. Now if you don't have ketchup, you can use tomato paste, or you could use spaghetti sauce. And just mix that in. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of vinegar. So you know Juliana doesn't cook without our vinegar, right? And now guys, what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to go ahead and put my crackers in, and I'm using the Excelsior crackers. So Like I said before, make sure that your fire is on medium heat. So all you want to do is go ahead and put your crackers in. And then to that, I'm going to add a half a cup of water. Put your fire on medium heat. I'm going to cover this up. And within 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to come back and see what that looks like. So I'll see you back. Hey guys, so that's been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. And it is finished. Because you don't want to overcook that crackers, okay? If you make the crackers stay too long on there, it is going to get soft. So 10 minutes tops, past 15 minutes, it's overdone. So yeah, that's pretty good right there. Alright, so that is your steamed crackers with okra and your vegetable vegan style. Alright, so yeah, but I know a lot of guys gonna ask me what you can't eat this up with, so I'm going to also put this on a plate with some fish. You can have it with fish as well, as you could just eat it up just like that. So I'll come back and show you what that looks like. Okay guys, here it is for you, all done. You can have this with fish. Fried fish is the best to have it with. You could have it steamed, but this one is fried. So yeah, hope you like it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.